Nietzsche's perspective on self-knowledge and consciousness was unconventional. He believed that humans' quest for self-awareness and self-knowledge was a futile affair because people can hardly observe themselves. In fact, he thought that the maxim, "know yourself," was almost malicious because it suggests that we can truly understand ourselves. Instead, Nietzsche offered a new dictum: everybody is farthest away from himself. This suggests that self-knowledge is an impossible quest. According to Nietzsche, there are several reasons why our quest for self-knowledge is doomed to fail. Firstly, nature itself hides from us the workings of our bodily functions, leaving us with only what we perceive with our proud, deceptive consciousness. He argued that if we were to glimpse what really goes on inside us, the trauma would cure us of our need for truth. Secondly, language is only an unskilled player in this game of hide and seek, making things more tangled, leading to self-delusions. Our animal consciousness can only relate to what is superficial, average, and common, and not individual. Moreover, actions are unique and individualized, but as soon as we translate them into consciousness, they no longer seem to be. This means that language and consciousness are inherently limited in their ability to describe the nuances of drives and feelings, resulting in a distorted picture of self and others. Nietzsche believed that there is no point in searching for the lost key to self-knowledge, as the door itself is imaginary. In his view, we delude ourselves in believing that we understand the reasons for our own and others' behaviors. Action is never what it seems to be, and therefore, we are not free. We do not understand what we want, why we did what we did, and we are not responsible for it. Neither are others. Nietzsche's philosophy suggests that we are fundamentally limited in our ability to understand ourselves and the world around us. One of Nietzsche's most potent quotes that illustrates his perspective is, "Why does man not see things? He himself is standing in the way. He conceals things." This suggests that our perception is limited by our own biases and preconceptions, preventing us from seeing the truth. Another powerful quote is, "We delude ourselves in believing that we understand the reasons for our own and others' behaviors. Action is never what it seems to be. Thus, I am not free." This quote emphasizes the idea that our actions are not truly under our control and that our understanding of ourselves and others is limited. In conclusion, Nietzsche's philosophy suggests that our quest for self-knowledge is ultimately futile. Our perception is limited by our own biases. Language is an unskilled player in the game of hide and seek, and our actions are not truly under our control. We are fundamentally limited in our ability to understand ourselves and the world around us. Thank you for watching this video about Nietzsche's perspective on self-knowledge and the limits of consciousness. As we have explored, Nietzsche believed that humans' infatuation with self-awareness and self-knowledge is a hopeless affair, as we are inherently limited in our ability to observe and understand ourselves. He argued that nature hides from us the workings of our own bodies and that language is an inadequate tool for describing our inner experiences. Our animal consciousness is concerned only with what is useful for the herd and the species, leading to a distorted picture of self and others. While Nietzsche's ideas may be challenging to accept, they offer a unique perspective on the limitations of human consciousness and the complexities of self-knowledge. We hope this video has encouraged you to reflect on your own understanding of self and to continue exploring the rich history of philosophical thought. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content, and let us know in the comments what you thought of Nietzsche's ideas on self-knowledge. Thanks again for watching.